A user-friendly software runs on this terminal display and it allows several functions. On the main screen of the display, we're able to see a simplified process flow diagram and its current status, as well as, for example, the current temperature, pressure and airflow values. Through this software, you're able to perform leak tests and calibrations, set timings and intervals for all the functions, and you're also able to perform automatic probe cleaning features, which minimize the need for maintenance. In case the device gives a system error or goes into a standby mode, a message is printed on the printer of the device, and the user is able to easily track which part of the device causes the certain alarm to go on in order to be able to fix the issue. After system commissioning, no changes need to be made to its configuration. Due to the high quality parts used in the system, it doesn't require frequent maintenance. The only recommended maintenance procedure you should perform is the visual inspection of the system, and to also check that the main values on the terminal display are within the acceptable limits. All the necessary maintenance procedures are described in detail by our service specialist during commissioning, and proper training is provided to the user in order to be able to perform those visual inspection steps. But all in all, the maintenance procedures required by the user are minimal. Most of the required maintenance is performed by our service specialist during maintenance intervals. Thank you for watching this video and for your interest towards our products. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at contact@gasmet.fi, where our experts will be more than happy to help you in any questions you might have and to also help you get the most suitable solution for your emission monitoring needs.